it's been a minute and a half, right? But you've seen a couple videos from your girl, and I promise y'all, I am coming back with more content, okay? However, I wanted to pop in because I wanted to share something with you guys here. Something that's been really exciting for us, and something that I wanted to offer you the opportunity to do along with us as well. And that would be, number one, the fact that if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know I've been on a health and fitness journey for years now, okay? Now, after having my twins, okay, you guys know it has been a struggle to try to get to a level of fitness that I could manage and handle, being that my life is so crazy with twins and all the other craziness that's going on in my life as well, with my family, Juice's family, and all of that stuff. So if you guys want to see more on that, definitely make sure to check out our daily vlog channel, The Socialite Life TV. I'll put it right here. Subscribe if you guys have not already. That being said, you guys know I've been talking here a lot about the things I've been doing. I've showcased workouts. I have a whole Get Fit Friday series here, okay, on this channel, and there's going to be more of that coming. You guys know that know what's been going on with me. I've had a lot of health things going on with my dad, which has kind of slowed things down for me, which is why I haven't been here as often. In addition to the fact that the craziness of being now a toddler twin mom, it's been insane, but it's been beautiful, okay? So anyway, with all of that being said, you guys know I've been on a health and fitness journey for a while. I am currently the fittest I have ever been, even before having my kids, okay? And I found a happy medium. I found something that works for me, and I literally love it. You're gonna hear my husband and my children because they're getting baths right now. But anyway, with all of that being said, if you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you would probably not know this unless you follow me on the vlog channel. But this last 30 days, I actually, my husband and myself, Juice, have hosted a 30-day challenge, okay? It's officially called the Team Transformation 30-Day Challenge. And as part of said 30-day challenge, okay, we have essentially helped these amazingly beautiful women, help them with attaining their health and fitness goals, okay? And it's something that I've wanted to do for years now, but just hadn't found the right combination of things that worked well for me, okay? And I think it was just the motivation of now being a twin mom and wanting to stay as active as possible and wanting to be able to keep up with my twin toddlers, which is what kind of got me to really rev it up and really kick ass, you know what I mean? And really try to do whatever I can to get into the best shape I possibly can, okay? So with all that being said, we had our very first fitness challenge, and that was the Team Transformation 30-Day Challenge. And just to give you guys an update on what's been going on, they're actually now in their 4th week, so they haven't done their 4th week weigh-in yet, so I will give you guys an update on that when that happens. But as I'm talking to y'all right now, it hasn't occurred yet. But so far, my group has lost over 164 pounds total, okay? Cumulatively lost over 164 pounds, okay? Doing our challenge. And it has been such an amazing journey because not only have they been kicking ass, okay, but we've just become a big old happy family because we talk to each other every single day. We video chat every single day. Like, it has become such an amazing support group, and that's part of what we offer with our challenges, amongst other things. But it's been so amazing. So if you guys are watching right now, congratulations, and I cannot wait for Monday because Monday is their 4th weigh-in, okay? And they're gonna be submitting their before pictures and after pictures, their weigh-ins, measurements. They've been losing inches too, y'all. I completely forgot about that, okay? Inches like a motherfucker, okay? So with all that being said, I wanted to actually put it out there that I am offering another challenge again. And I wanted to make sure, because I mentioned it on my daily vlog channel, that I made sure that I mentioned it here as well. So Juice and I are hosting another Team Transformation 30-Day Challenge. The official start date of said challenge is August 15th, okay? So, with all of that being said, it is going to give you the opportunity to do whatever you're going to do as far as damage is concerned, food-wise and all that kind of stuff. Get yourself mentally prepared and all whatever you got to do before the official start date of the challenge, which begins on the 15th of August. You're going to go a straight 4 weeks. No cheat meals, straight dedication, okay? So let me go ahead and give you guys the rundown of what you're gonna get in this challenge. This is going to pretty much be your opportunity to get fit before the fall, because we're now in August. You guys are getting ready to get the kiddos back to school, right? There's a lot going on, probably a lot of stress eating. I know I don't have kids in school yet, but we do have the kids in a lot of activities coming up, which you guys will see here on the vlogs as well, very, very soon. So excited about that. I mean, they literally have a whole curriculum set up, okay? But I know we're gonna be on the go, 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 and it's easy to forget about ourselves, right? So I'm so excited to host this second challenge with you guys. It will be another 30-day challenge, so 4 weeks of just kicking ass and taking names, okay? And we will be doing several things during this challenge. So let me give you guys exactly what you guys are going to get as part of this challenge, okay? Number one, you are going to get group support, which is such a huge, amazing part of the challenge, this very first challenge we did. We've gotten to know each other on such a personal level, but it's been so amazing because I mean, we've all of us, myself, Juice, as well as the members of the group have had ups and downs, and we have all been there for each other through all of that, to support each other, to push each other, and to keep each other on task, which is so amazing. It's so huge, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, okay? And like I said, we've just become one big old happy family, and even closer than we were because they've always been fam bam here, okay? So that you will get, okay? And it's private group support, okay? So you will be among other women and men, because men are allowed to be a part of this as well, okay? Women and men that are part of this challenge that are trying to do the same thing that you are and attain whatever goal they or you are going to attain, okay? You will also get a workout plan, okay? And y'all, trust me when I say, y'all will love the workout plan. It does kick your tail, I ain't gonna lie, okay? But do not get scared, because I know some people were asking if I was going to be putting workouts in the workout plan that were as crazy or as advanced as the ones that you guys sometimes see me do here on the channel. No, and they can completely be modified, and that's what I want you to do. So anyone who takes part in this challenge, anything that you guys see on the workout plan that you're like, okay, I can do this, let's just say it's jumping jacks, okay? And you're like, I can't do jumping jacks because of my knee, but I can do step ups. I mean, you know what I mean? Side steps or whatever. You can modify them to make it work for you, okay? And your skill level. And that's the reason why and how I created that workout plan. It's made to be modifiable, okay? So we will be providing the workout plan, okay? By the way, I know I'm gonna get asked this and I completely forgot to mention it, is the fact that I know people are gonna ask if you have to have a gym membership to be able to do the workouts. No. One, they're modifiable, as I said earlier, and two, you can actually take your workouts outside. You can go to the track. Some of them don't feel like going to the gym, so they take their workouts outside. They go to the track, they go to the park, they will go and take a walk on the sidewalk and do some of their workouts there. Some of them have home gyms. I mean, literally, you have options, okay? So don't think you have to have an expensive gym membership to be able to do the workout. You will get a meal plan as well as a grocery list, okay? So I will send you the grocery list, and you will be able to get an idea of exactly what is allowed on the meal plan and what's not, exactly what to get from the grocery store. So it'll be super easy for you guys to figure it all out, okay? And so you'll get that grocery list in addition to the fact that you will get a meal plan that will detail exactly what you're going to eat every single day of this 30-day challenge, okay? The other thing that you're going to also get is you are also going to get supplement guidance, okay? So there are some supplements that are going to be part of this program, okay? But I promise you they're not over the top, ridiculously expensive, right? And they truly work. And here's the thing. I can tell y'all and show y'all because look at my ladies that are currently kicking ass right now, okay? Clearly, it's working, okay? So trust me when I say you will love it. They are amazing, okay? And you'll be obsessed, okay? So that will be part of that as well. Oh, did I mention that we're gonna be doing weigh-ins as well? I completely forgot to mention that too. So not only will you be doing before photos, okay? But you will be doing after photos at the end of this challenge, in addition to the fact that we do weekly weigh-ins as well. So you will be held accountable, okay? Every single person, all of us take part in that, okay? So you will be doing weigh-ins weekly, all right? Not to mention the fact that there are so many other bonuses that are gonna be part of this challenge as well. One thing that I do and randomly do is I will randomly think of a workout that I can throw in and add in. So there'll be a lot of additional bonus things that you'll get as time goes. And we'll have an opportunity to share recipes, Juice is sneezing in the background, recipes and all of that good stuff. All of that will be a part of this challenge coming up, okay? So again, it begins August 15th, okay? That is just so you have enough time to not only sign up, which you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the top of the description box, you're going to fill out that survey at the top of the description box, and someone will follow up with you from there to get you started, okay? So make sure you guys check out the link at the top of the description box. You will fill it out. It's a super easy, quick survey, okay? Super, super easy. And then from there, someone will follow up with you and give you guys the next steps to being able to get started with our next challenge, which again starts August 15th. This is our Fit Before Fall challenge, okay? It is a full 30 days. I'm gonna need your full 30 days of dedication. There will be no cheat meals. So this is the opportunity to, between now and the challenge starting, get your supplements in the mail, get your grocery items picked up, make your meals, do your meal prep, because we do meal prep as well. And all of that before the challenge officially begins on the 15th. So you'll be able to eat whatever you want up until then. If you want to start earlier, you are more than welcome to, okay? That in addition to the fact that including all of that, you're gonna get the support from everyone, including myself and Juice and everyone that's taking part of the challenge as well, okay? And it is amazing, trust me when I say that. And when I say, I mean, it's like, I can't even tell you enough how amazing it is, okay? You just gotta join us to see what I'm talking about, okay? So make sure you guys check out the link at the top of the description box down below, okay? Check it out, fill out the survey. Super easy, it's super duper fast, okay? And one of us will follow up with you, someone will follow up with you and give you guys the rundown on how to get started. And the sooner the better, okay? Because we want you to get all of your things get in the mail, okay? And we also wanna make sure, in addition to that, that you're able to get your groceries, that you're able to start meal prepping and all of that before the start of the challenge on the 15th, all right? So I wanted to pop in and share that with you guys. I'm so excited about offering another challenge for you guys because the first one was so successful and the ladies are like, oh my God, we gotta do this again. And so excited to continue this and to keep this going. And I cannot wait to see what the weigh-ins are officially on Monday because their fourth weigh-in is on Monday and they are kicking so much tail this week, it's not even funny. So anyway, if you want to take part in this next challenge, which you should want to, hello, come on over, come on, join the sisterhood and the brotherhood, okay? Because men and women, join with your hubby, join with your spouse, join with a coworker, your best friend, your sister, your brother, whatever, okay? Just do it. I promise you guys, you will love it and it'll be so much fun, okay? So again, check out the link at the top of the description box, okay? And someone will follow up with you and give you guys the rundown on how to get started. We'll get you started ASAP Rocky. And we will begin August 15th, 4 weeks straight, y'all, okay? So you wanna stay on task, you wanna stay on top of your game, and you're gonna hit your fitness goals along with another group of people together, okay? So anyway, I love y'all. Check out the link at the top of the description box. We'll follow up with you and get you guys started. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.